Now that the software is up and running, it's time to install our column. So we've supplied you with a column tag holder. We're going to place this right up front on top of the unit. And we supply you with an MXT5 from Restech. Take it out of the box and you see that it is already pre-installed on our column holder, but the tag is separate. So we're going to go in and get our tag, and we're going to slide it into the column tag holder so that we know that this is the one that is installed in our system. Our column, like I said, is already pre-installed. Here's our injection port pin and our FID pin. We're going to remove the caddy by turning the switch, pull the caddy out, and we're going to make sure that we use these alignment pins on the column holder and the caddy to line everything up. It should lay flush with the caddy. We're going to install, slide this back in. We're going to put positive pressure on this, a little bit of pressure, turn the knob, and it'll seal right up. Make sure that you do have the system on to install the column because it installs easier when the system is warm.